cut across now and give you a sense of what happened through the course of the day. I was speaking to Mahua Moitra. She was one of the many MPs of the TMC that protested outside Home Ministry, once again claiming that the action that has been taken is the weaponization of central agencies. While what happened in West Bengal was something quite the same. Mamata Banerjee took out a protest march. And there were 3 cases that were to be held in the High Court in Kolkata, where the TMC had gone to court, IPAC had gone to court, ED had gone to court, suggesting that the Chief Minister and TMC was obstructing them from dispensing their duties. Well, the hearing was suspended because the TMC cadre caused abject chaos. This is how it all panned out.
Kolkata streets choke with crowds. Slogans rip through the air. And at the head of the march is Chief Minister herself. High drama in Bengal after the Enforcement Directorate raided the office of political consultancy firm IPAC. Mamata Banerjee on Friday led a massive protest march from Jadavpur to Hazra, accusing the Narendra Modi government of weaponizing the ED to target the TMC.
কিন্তু এটা দুর্বলতা নয়। আপনারা মিটিং করলে পেছনে পুলিশ, সামনে পুলিশ, ওদিকে সিআরপিএফ, ওদিকে বিএসএফ, ওদিকে আইএসএফ, কে না আছে?
The confrontation is not limited to Bengal. Hours before Mamata's march, Trinamool MPs took to the streets in Delhi, protesting outside the Home Ministry, alleging vendetta politics. The Delhi police stepped in, taking the TMC leaders into custody temporarily.
You're seeing what is happening to MPs. All our MPs have been picked up. Stop, Governor. Governor! No! Don't intervention. ये मत करो.
पहले उनका 10 साल 11 साल कुछ नहीं याद रहते, इलेक्शन के टाइम सब ईडी भेजना, सीबीआई भेजना, उसका याद आ जाता है इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए, लेकिन जीतेंगे नहीं.
From the streets, the battle moves to the courtroom. The TMC and ED have approached the Calcutta High Court. Severe overcrowding, however, has forced an adjournment. The matter is now listed for January 14. Behind the protests and legal moves are explosive claims by the Enforcement Directorate. According to ED sources, tense scenes unfolded when Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached the raid site on Thursday. ED sources allege the Chief Minister took away IPAC Chief Pratik Jain's phone. The state DGP instructed ED officials not to record recoveries in the Panchnama. ED officers were threatened with arrest if recoveries were shown. 3 ED officials were allegedly outnumbered by dozens of state police personnel and the Chief Minister's Z security. ED claims intimidation and pressure to dilute the incident report. The DGP allegedly threatened FIRs against ED officers. Independent witnesses, ED says, were also harassed. The BJP has gone on the offensive.
The entire action of the Chief Minister is not only unethical, irresponsible, unconstitutional, but she has put the entire democratic process and governance to shame.
The BJP delegation met Governor C.V. Ananda Bose seeking immediate intervention, accusing Mamata Banerjee of unconstitutional conduct and misuse of the state police machinery. With courts stepping in, accusations flying thick and fast, and tempers rising, the ED versus Mamata Banerjee showdown is far from over.
ये फाइल ले जाया जा रहा है.
Bureau Report, India Today.
ये फाइल ले जाई जा रही है यहाँ से.